Alright, so I'm back again. I got the tub in place. You can tell it's on here. Kind of hard with the lighting, but the logo's on. And I got the cover cleaned up. And the disconnects over there. And here's the tub. So you can kind of see here the ozonator seems to be working, or I don't know what that actually is, but it's circulating, putting bubbles in the tub. And then if we come here to the control panel, it's at 140 degrees. Sorry, 104 degrees. So it's working just fine. And knock on wood, right? But so far hasn't leaked, and just seems to be working. So run the jets here real quick. Probably should do that with the cover on, but I'm just going to do it shortly. And then we'll turn the jets off up here. So yeah, seems to be working. Just got to get chemicals in the spa here, and then I need to clean it out for sure. But overall, for a free hot tub, I'll have maybe, by the time I pay the dealer, because I still have this side that's foamed that needs to be redone, but that's about $400 through the dealer. So, you know, all in all, I have about $600 into this tub, and I think that's great, you know, considering it's a 2011 model. So that's my latest update to it, and thanks you guys for watching.